Attention brides, if you're looking for a winter wedding centerpiece that isn't exactly low cost but isn't high end, we've got the perfect solution for you. Our mid-tier winter wedding centerpiece gives you the perfect balance. Tons of wow factor without totally breaking your budget. Today, we're leveling up with a statement piece. This beautiful 34-inch white Manzanita tree is our anchor. It instantly gives us the height we need, making the whole table feel much more dramatic. It's got that gorgeous, icy winter look, and it's super stable. Now for the rich color pop. We're tucking in our lush Burgundy Peony bouquet stem right at the base of the tree. Just simply place them around the tree in a wreath-like shape. Finish the look by surrounding the base with a few of our sparkling silver mercury glass candle holders to catch the light. This combo looks like $1 million and it's actually less than $100. This centerpiece delivers on impact and value. It's the perfect balance. If you love this look below for the full list of products, hit subscribe, and let's keep planning that perfect winter wedding.